Hi guys, this is today's Exploring Adventure. We're at a nature place in Broom. It has quite a bit of history to it. It used to be a sand/gravel place, and now they turned it into a nature reserve. Like you can see in the pond, and all the cool animals in the distance. Really cool to be fair. There is someone over there. I'll show you guys. Library, all information if you want to pause and read. What's around there? Yeah. Also, found Iron Age stuff here as well, and I will put in the evidence and information I gathered in this section of the video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. We were with the dogs as well. We thought it'd be a nice weather for the dogs. We've got the whole family with us Saturday, so that was in a half hour. Really cool. That was a great start. I read that poem. Seen how the hot air. We've never been here before. So, try that. We'll give you fresh content. I had a shot. Got found a good one. Exploring 5 days. And that's what I basically shit myself like this man. And a lot of vlogs here and there, and like other sorts of content like that. Really cool to see that. You can see Lena in the distance. I looked up the camera basically. We're just walking down here basically. So yeah, I cut the camera until we find something cool. I found some hay bales and some destroyed sign, but there's a sign there if you make it out. That's all I just thought I'll show you this if you're interested. I know not much, but it's just hay bales. I know. I just don't know what you guys are actually into. So I'll just show you this stuff anyway. We just basically got to go down this trail here. It's not far, but I've lost stuff for them. Not cool trees and stuff. Look around new trees. One trail which gives the environment we need hand. Yeah. I'm really hoping I'll find some Iron Age stuff on the way on these trails. That's what I'm really hoping. Apparently there's a wooded part as well. Literally. If you see anything out of there, please put in a comment. I'll look at the camera here. And yeah, see you in the next clip. I found another sign about the place as well. It looks like there's a church or something here as well, or used to be here. And a bunch of different work. I'll go down this up par. Over to that side, not really. Only but I'll go down this way. Loads of cars and that over there. I'll record a little bit. Hopefully. There's something cool. I thought I'd show you guys all the signs that are like so you can piece together information. I'm going to stop the camera here. Apparently there's a abandoned over there in the distance, and there's also a bridge over there. I went on the wrong footpath to give there, and yeah, I'm gonna like try and record this bit for you guys for a long time. At least like tomatoes or something, or like some sort of food. I'm gonna go past them anyway. hope you enjoy this video. I hope they make you feel you're with me. I know there's garbage cats, like some parts cut out, whatever. I hope you enjoy. Crossing some lakes. Which way we got go?
We can either go that way and get stung by stinging nettles, or that way.
Oh really? Which way are we going? Oh, I hate stinging nettles at the moment.
Stinging nettles are that way.
Oh no.
So if you come this way.
I can't go this way. I'll cut the camera. I found some brickwork bridge here, and there's a bridge over there. There's Bob on camera. I just got to figure out how I'm going to get over this. But I'm going to try for you guys. I've got to go through this way. We have all reunited at the moment. Yeah.
What do you think?
I have a pain in the bum band for all that.
You want to drink now?
That's a very cool bridge, anyway. There it goes. Oh, come on. No. That's a cool bridge. That tunnel. It's basically a tunnel at this point. Oh my god. Hello, pals. Oh my god. This is so cool. I hope it brightens your eyes for you guys. It's actually quite dark and real often. But I will go through the other one. Wow. This is so cool. Yeah! Woo! the other tunnel. See if there's any difference. Couple of feet in. Wow. I'm definitely putting the tunnel in the TikTok now. Oh my god, man. Echo! I'll go through the other tunnel. There's actually more tunnels, but I can't go through the other one. I don't think. There's a bit of defeat. It's basically the same as all the others. Basically. But it's less defeated in this one. Which is really cool. I think this is definitely a jackpot. I might able to get through this side, but I can try. Yeah, basically another graffiti here. People graffiti inside. It's actually interesting, like, how these tunnels are made. That must be like steel or something. Like, really cool. I'm like really soft. They must have dug for ages and then putting up all the supports out and shaping the tunnel and putting like concrete down and stuff like that, and all the effort. Above us is a bridge, basically the road. And it's like surprising how people can make these sort of things. I don't know if it's been made recent, but it's actually interesting. I'm going to go through this last tunnel. I can get through. Okay. A little bit more graffiti in this one. People are graffitiing the place. Very cool. I've been wanting to go through tunnels for a while right now. It's basically rubbish this one. I wonder if I can do that. Hopefully, one day I can do something. And in one of the tunnels. Oh, she's my camera out there. But yeah. I do it when the weather's not all mucky. If it does happen. It's just, I have been to other tunnels before. I'll put that in the link in the description. And my band playlist. I know it's not really a bad video, but I'll put the link in. It's really cool. It's a shame that I can't go through the other one because it's actually overgrown. Like horses, like stay still so I can get like a screenshot of the end. I think that'd be. So I think that'd be cool. if I have any bands anything I watch these videos, please like that. Cheers, to my channel. Because I don't want you guys getting in trouble for exploring these places so you don't have to these videos are fun, risky for me anyway, but I still don't feel like going out. Really cool. I'll probably cut the camera if I switch off a trail like this. I just don't want to bore you guys. Basically, I would like put the camera back on when I see something cool if I like hear or anything like that. If you know what I mean. We found another bridge with a bit defeated, but it's also water shower, and I've got to go through here. And I thought, why not record this bit for you guys? Cool graffiti down there. Hello you two. You can actually see better on the phone than you can in person.
Can you? Yeah, the dogs have just been in the water.
Yeah. I was trying to show graffiti up. Even though it's kind of illegal. That's not it. Okay. Rather than they don't really want that. So they don't need okay. So I think your feet, your weight to be there. Your feet and so I can see why slows. And this is the other side. I think I might cut it from here to facing me showing you the same thing. But yeah. Over there, all that trail leads up to Jordan Mill. I don't know if it's open. But yeah.
And then there's a secret room in here, which is under the bridge. And there's some swans. And that's it for this bit.
This is the other side of the lake from here, and we were over where the cars were earlier, and to get here it was quite a pain because I had to go through steep nettles and rough terrain, but I managed to do it. But my mum is way far behind us, and I basically cleared a path for her and done myself up. Yeah, I'll be alright because I've been stung before, and I hope we can go this way. It looks like I can, but yeah. But I'm going to tap the camera and see if I can get to the other bit. I've got to try and go through that, or go that side. But, ew, Bella! Really, Bells? Now Luna's basically sitting in there, when she definitely needs a shower again. But, yeah. That was quite easy. A little easy. Going through that, to be fair. And this is the upper there. And that's not that far from that puddle, but yeah. I thought I'd just give you this view as well. But we just got to go down there. I will cut the camera from here. But yeah. There's the other bit of the lake with ducks and that. And yeah, carry on going on this trail. I don't know how long this video actually is, but yeah, I will put the camera for now. I know it's going to be a lot of short clips, or long clips, whatever, but yeah, there's a clip of the ducks on the trail. There you go, guys. Basically, on the way out, me and Bob found this little shelter here on this dirt trail. But I'm going to go ahead to it, see what's there. That's how far it actually is. But yeah, I've zoomed in for you guys. Bob's gone to get a van. But yeah. I'm exploring this one. This bit of life, basically. It looks like an abandoned face. I'm going to explore it. I don't know if it's properly or not. It's hard to tell in this area what's private and what's not. I'm going to explore it anyway. Give you guys a little treat. I didn't see any sign saying not to go this way. So I should be in the clear. It looked like an abandoned structure. I had no idea this was there till now. That's all I can do for you guys. Now, I don't know what's in there, but when Bob comes back, I'll see if he quickly go in there for you guys. Wow. Bloody hell. That's a jackpot. That's the only way in as well. And this is on the nature trail thing. Wow. This is so cool. Found an abandoned structure. I'm gonna add this to the highlights, to be fair. And I'll probably get a title about abandoned structure on the trail or whatever. Something along those lines. But yeah, I can't explore the inside, but I'll see if I can get Bob to do it when he's back. But I've done the outside for you guys. Really cool.